Please, not the duster.
Sana may isa doon na normal.
Oh. Please don't fly away. Thank you.
Kasi mas city yung sa... The rosemary breakfast?
Just both of us. Kasi... Ang sasarap. New York or dito? New York pa rin?
Half mo.
The upper half?
We're at the old fort right now. Oh, cute! Ang mata. Ito, galit. The viewpoint in Montreal. Oh my god, girl. I had to hike up like a lot of steps. I was not prepared. There's si Toy. Oh my god.
What is this white stuff? Cheese.
We're at Mapululi. Nope, don't know. It's got a whole chicken and poutine.
Masarap.
Parang may pinipid.
Ice cream natin sa Pilipinas.
Parang
Yung sa Vietnam natin yung...
yung dirty ice.
dirty ice cream.
Parang sa silang.
Tiramisu, go.
Maharap. Ito na. Oh my goodness. Kakayanin yun.
Kasi ang noodles niya.
Para makakain muna. May napkin ka. Lakihan mo nga mo.
Hey.
Papakalawin.
Lahat nga tayo shades gang eh.
Ba't ganyan yung shades mo? Di ba may shades kang isa?
Ariana Grande! Nagtitiktak na.
Dun kaya kami sa mga fall. Wala nang fall dito eh. Wala nang iba. Shades.
Sabi mo ano, kinukuha ko ito ba ang pogi mo na?
Huh? We're gonna do a little DIY with my costume. I'm planning to be something related to candy. So eye candy, Candy Crush, or cotton candy. I don't know yet. My top is gonna be cotton candy. I just got a cheap tank top. It was only $4. I was like, I'm not trying to spend $10 on a tank top that I'm never gonna use, you know? Since it's a long, regular tank top, I am going to turn it into a crop top. I don't want to trim the top, I don't want to cut it because the material is like flimsy and I want it a little thicker so that it stays on my body. I'm gonna just sew the bottom so it doesn't, what's it called, you know? Girl, I can't English. But let's start, let's begin. From the other side. I don't even remember how to sew. Bruh, can you just go through? Thank you. Dude, usually I get it in one try, but what is happening? Bruv. I got it, wait. Please. Oh my god, I'm literally going to scream. Hold on, what the hell? Oh my god. I'm sweating. I got it. I don't even know how to knot. Just so it doesn't fall, I'm just gonna loop it around a little bit. I never knew how to sew like properly. I just guessed. I wish I asked my grandma, my late grandma, to teach me how to sew like with a mechanical whatchamacallit. I'll show you. Prayog is so funny. It's the way you act. 1 hour later. It's so hot out. Guys, it's really hot out today. This whole weekend is gonna be 70s, 80s. It's October, the end of October. That's crazy. Should I spray paint first and then the adhesive? Actually, you know what? Like inside, I'll spray it. Yeah, I'm so smart. I should wear gloves, right? I don't know if you can see it. Candy paint with the wine on top. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna close you guys. But this is what she looks like. But she's pink. Yeah. So I'm making my headpiece right now with my cousin in the background. Okay, wait, paano to? Oh my god! Dito ba? Yeah. Please work. This is so cute. I can't. But I don't know what headband to use. I say, like, do we want a thin situation? Testing. Baby, calm down. Ah. Oh. I don't. What are we doing on Friday, Halloweekend? We're gonna go to a cafe and be productive while everyone's in costumes. The Cyber, explain what happened.
Everything got wrong.
Yeah. So like the first bar that we were supposed to go to, they had like an open mic, a live band or something. So we checked out this place in the NYU area. It's pretty packed with lots of people. And now I won't be able to concentrate. I'll be people watching and you know, and then watching. Oh my god, look, someone's Wednesday.
This one.
Yeah. Just got some tiramisu.
Tomorrow.
I have a dilemma. I really want to wear this wig, but I know that I'm not going to be able to last even 10 minutes in this because it's 70 something degrees in October. What is fall? So I'm going to be perspiring the whole time I'm at the club. But it's so cute. And it's going to be so weird if I decide to snatch my wig off. Where am I going to put the wig? Where? But it's so cute. Please, not the duster. The duster with my cotton candy hair. And I'm about like the mom.
bahay. And then, nakahabol kami ni Di, kakain mo na kami.
9 minutes.
Huh? Shit! Let's go, let's go! Go, go, go! Sure na ba?
Ngayon, parang kulang naman. Paano man nakatest if okay ka pa? Okay, picture muna tayo.
Yeah.
Scooping my cotton. I'm scooping my cotton. Fixing Look back.
Ano nangyayari?
Wet lang.
Ha? Wala akong pwede.
Again, yeah. Oh my god. Little Mermaid. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Tama tayong fan ng init.
Mainit. It's too hot.
Feeling ko, hindi ko talaga. Wait natin.
Ano?
Ito yun, Ariani.
Ano?
Dito ko nag-aaral na nagbo-boards ako.
What? Are you blurry? Oh, there you
Do I look like a lumberjack? Is that a picture?
No, it's a video. Show the sleeve. Show the sleeve.
Wait. Yeah, get it. Overexposure, overexposure.
Yeah, there. Nope.
$15, Amazon.
Someone is not working, not doing her thing. Her ADHD-ness is on a hammock.
Here's me ko na malakas.
Wee!